In this video, I am going to show you how to add a signature component in Glide. First, open the app where you want to include this component. The signature component can only be added to a form, such as a contact form or any other type of form where you collect user data. For this demonstration, I have created a delivery form screen. In this form, I have selected a form table that I created earlier, which contains all the necessary fields, from order ID and customer name to the signature field. To add the signature component, go to the Layout section and locate the field where you want it to appear. Currently, it may be set as a text entry field. Remove the existing component and click the plus icon. In the search box, type signature to find the component, then drag and drop it into the desired location. On the right-hand side of your screen, make sure the correct column is selected for the signature. Once configured, users will be able to provide their signature directly in the form, along with completing the other fields. And this is how you can add a signature component in Glide.